Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of food and cooking. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as sausages, sausages, saw, see, jizz, sausages. It's processed meat, typically encased in a cylindrical form, made from ground meat, seasoning, and sometimes fillers, commonly enjoyed in various cuisines. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sausages, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.